Hi, and welcome to today's edition of Market Analysis for today, the 21st of October. I'm Giovanni Benaker. I'm an analyst and trader and also educator with Vantage Markets. Well, let's just begin with what we already know. Yesterday, we saw how the Prime Minister, Liz Truss, resigned after 45 days in office, making her the shortest PM in UK's history to leave, to be in and out of the office so quickly. Some people that are being opted to take her places, Boris Johnson. But anyhow, all of this scenario has brought some obviously continued volatility and uncertainty into the markets. So far, the market is looking to open down, and perhaps once we open in the U.S. exchanges in 30 minutes, we'll probably see a rebound of the market as we are seeing so far right now. In the NASDAQ, on this 30-minute chart, we see how the market has created a double bottom. And from this double bottom, the market has looked to rebound, retrace, or recover some of its losses from yesterday and from today. Now, it's trading above the 11,000 psychological resistance. We have the 52-week moving average very close to it. That'll be its first. Now, its second, because the first one was 11,000. It'll be its next point of resistance. I have my resistance at 1187. So the RSI is pointing higher. So we probably have that to come and take a look at. Then as well for the S&P 500, let's take a look at it. And we've seen that motion as well in the S&P 500. So that double bottom move to the upside, and we'll probably have, let's see if we'll find some sellers around here to stop this movement higher, or will it continue and rally back up to 3,700. As far as for crude oil has really been looking to stay around the $84 mark, making that a psychological support level. We have the 52-week moving average moving closely, $88 pointing towards that. But I'm expecting that crude oil today will be somewhat quiet, ranging. It'll be in a nice channel between $84 and $86. Then we have Nat Gas, which has really tanked, retraced a whole lot, helping obviously Europeans and really everybody. The energy market is really volatile, and let's see if this will hold, and will Nat Gas continue a lateral consolidation movement. It is in the oversold territory, so will it come up to 520, and being 520 psychological resistance level, and then make another attempt at $5? That could probably be it. But I am expecting it perhaps to come out of the RSI, out of the oversold territory, moving back to the pivot point, and here find those sellers. And then we have gold. Gold is looking to stay above the 1600 mark, psychological support level, trading back up to 1650. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really looking to stay above the going back to the 19,000 level and staying above that. Let's see if it holds. Then we have the euro. Euro is also looking back to regain some of its strength and come back at least to 0.98. Let's see if it will see the euro back to parity at least the remainder of this year. That's doubtful. And then we have the pound. The pound, after yesterday's news, it lost some tracking. It came back down to almost the 110 mark, but it found some buyers before that, and then it's really tracing, going back up to 112, the first psychological resistance level. And the Canadian dollar is retracing. Well, the dollar is returning against the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is getting stronger so far against the US dollar. And the dollar index, let's see if the dollar index will break this 113 level, which is actually almost there, and see if it found some support, or will it come back down to 112. And that will be it for me today. It's a short session today, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend.